everyone, we are the Y&I Inventors from SMK St. Anthony, located at Jalan Repol, SARIKEI, Sarawak.
Our team is excited to introduce our innovative product, the Wool Holder, created under the theme Wonder Waste Creations, which focuses on using recycled paper and plastic waste. This project emphasizes sustainability, resourcefulness, and creativity in waste management. Unpredictable weather conditions often lead students to bring umbrellas to school. However, this can create several challenges. Finding a proper storage location for wet umbrellas during the rainy season can be difficult, and improperly stored umbrellas can drip water onto floors, creating a slipping hazard. Even during hot weather, umbrellas can pose a safety risk if left unattended. For example, an umbrella left lying on the ground could cause students to trip and injure themselves.
Our solution to these problems is the Wool Holder, a convenient umbrella storage device made entirely from recycled plastic and paper waste. The Wool Holder is not only easy and affordable to create, but it is also a versatile product suitable for classrooms, offices, and various other locations within the school community. By providing a designated storage spot for umbrellas, the Wool Holder helps to keep them organized and protected from damage. This also reduces the risk of accidents caused by slippery floors from wet umbrellas left scattered around.
Here's a breakdown of the materials needed to construct a single Wool Holder. 3 used 9.5 liter plastic bottles, 1 used 1 liter plastic bottle, cardboard box, 4 used hydroponic pots, 100 CDs, can of Mr. DIY spray paint, Mr. DIY hot glue gun, and Mr. DIY hot glue sticks. The construction process is as follows. First of all, we begin by cutting the tops of 2 of the 9.5 liter plastic bottles. Use the hot glue gun and glue sticks to securely attach one plastic bottle to the top and another to the bottom of a third plastic bottle, creating a central structure. Then, we cut the 1 liter plastic bottle to create a designated drip tray for collecting water from wet umbrellas. To provide stability and a cuboid shape for the Wool Holder, we use the cardboard box to create a cover for the assembled plastic bottles. Remember to cut a hole on the side of the box to allow for proper drainage of collected water. For a polished and waterproof finish, we apply spray paint to the entire Wool Holder using the Mr. DIY spray paint can.
Here are the costs of all the materials.
The Y&I Inventors are proud to present the Wool Holder as a practical and eco-friendly solution to umbrella storage at SMK St. Anthony. The Wool Holder not only promotes organization and safety, but also exemplifies how waste materials can be creatively repurposed into a valuable school resource.